I wanted to show you a little detail about this kit. It's really cute. The company sent it to me and I wanted to show you everything that it comes with and, you know, just explain how it works. It's really fun. So I have 3 kids. I have an 11-year-old and a 3-year-old, and the 2 girls are really into it. I also have a 9-year-old, but he hasn't played with it yet. It comes with this like makeup kit, like almost what you would, you know, exactly what you would use like for a kid for makeup, but you get to color in the sheets with it and kind of like design and pretend to do makeup on these different faces, which I think is like really fun and creative. It also comes with like 200 different stickers, so you could decorate, you know, the pages. They're kind of like these vinyl stickers, so they're not paper, they are plastic, so they're really thick and you could even reuse them if you wanted. And then it does have these colored pencils, so really fun activity to do. I'm always looking for things to keep my kids busy and entertained, so I just wanted to show you really quick. I put some of the pink on, and then, you know, you can go right in and put the color onto her eyes. Super fun. I think this is like a very creative thing that my kids will spend hours and have already gotten really into.